The FRACTAL Design Ridge is a compact case designed to fit a PC next to a gaming TV, featuring a rectangular design similar to the Xbox and PlayStation. It can house up to 4 2.5-inch SSDs or hard drives and a graphics card up to 325mm. The case can only fit an SFX or SFXL power supply. It has perforations for airflow and a ventilated fabric front, giving it a speaker-like appearance. Inside, it has limited fan options and a short CPU cooler clearance. The Cooler Master QUBE 500 is a compact mini ITX case available in bright and pastel colors, featuring a living accessory ecosystem, cable manager, and accessory hook. It's easy to install, with fully modular panels that can be swapped for transparent or non-transparent builds. The case can house GPUs up to 365mm and dual 280mm radiators, ensuring quality components. The Silverstone Technology SUGO 16 is a compact case designed for under $100, offering a unique cube-like aesthetic and space-saving features. It can fit a standard ATX power supply and a GPU up to 275mm, but sacrifices GPU length. The case is made of steel with mesh panels for ventilation, but some hardware blocks vents. It offers cooling options with a 120mm fan or radiator mount on the front and an 80mm fan with an ATX PSU installed. However, the case may get hot when pushing the PC's components to their limits. The NZXT H210i is a versatile, high-quality case designed for easy build and customization. It features a roomy design, ample cable management, a glass side panel, and RGB lighting. The case can accommodate an ATX power supply, a full-size GPU, a solid CPU, and multiple drives, ensuring excellent cooling. The case is equipped with two 12mm fans and can accommodate additional fans or a radiator up to 240mm using a removable bracket. Mesh is also included for improved airflow. The FRACTAL Design TORRENT NANO is a larger-than-average case that allows ITX to build closer to traditional mid-tower PC cases. It features a unique front panel design with mesh for airflow and a side glass panel for component display. The case also includes a 180mm front intake fan, two additional 120mm fans at the bottom and one at the rear, and a 165mm clearance for CPU coolers. For water cooling, multiple radiators can be installed, but losing the pre-installed fan means losing the pre-installed fan. The Cooler Master NR200 is a compact 18.25-liter mini ITX PC that can accommodate a 330mm long graphics card, two 2.5-inch drives, a 3.5-inch drive, and an NVMe SSD. It also features racks for two 2.5-inch drives and a 3.5-inch drive and can be cooled with a CPU cooler or 240mm liquid CPU cooler. That's all for today. For more information on any of the products mentioned in this video, click on the links in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures. Let's know which of the products you're excited to try out in the comments.